Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween.
From Kerry Love Cat's Beauty Thoughts. Our beauty thought this month comes to us from our hearts. We're going to sing a song just for you. It's called You're Beautiful Like a
Pumpkin.
You're beautiful like a pumpkin, shapes and colors shining bright.
Beautiful like a pumpkin every single night.
No matter where you go in life, magic comes from you. You're beautiful like a pumpkin and the universe loves you.
You're beautiful like a pumpkin every single night. You're beautiful like a pumpkin 'cause your body's full of light. You're beautiful like a pumpkin. You are oh so sweet. You're beautiful like a pumpkin. Happy Halloween, yo. Trick or treat.
Woo! Everybody say Happy Halloween.
Do that again.
Happy Halloween.
And I also want to add that my hat this month is made out of recycled wreath materials and a Starbucks drink container.